So we're at Woodward Tahoe for the summer, and I'm getting ski lessons from Tanner Hall.
My name is Henrick Harlaut.
That was not normal. A-wire, true athlete, you know what I mean?
What?
Boom bomb, connect!
Big up Crash Test Dummy Crew. I'm Sammy Carlson.
We're going up the mountain for a sunset shoot here at Boreal.
You make it just seem like you had to hike up the biggest in-run.
Dude.
And you really want those as tight as you can get. What now? Yeah. Just go into the bottom of the lift, wait for Tanner, and then he'll show up and he'll teach you the basics.
Whoa. Whoa. So we're at Woodward Tahoe for the summer, and I'm getting ski lessons from Tanner Hall. That should be very interesting. Yeah.
Sick! A-wire's first day skiing ever here at Woodward Tahoe, Boreal, Portmore, Jamaica, from Casabon, Montana. Two different worlds, but coming together as one. You see me? Stand up. Try to use your legs to stand up. Booyah. Yep. Booyah, bro. And we'll just push forward. Try to stay in that strong stance. There you go. There you go. Yep. Oh, do it. Yeah. 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 I can see that. Oh, that. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Oh. That was sick though. Push into me if you need it. I got your belly. There you go. When we want to go down, when you want to go from sideways to forward, I always think about setting this ski, turning this one, and then just letting it go. You know what I mean? And then let's just try to ski right up here into a snowplow like this. Got it? Got it? Oh. Let's not even think about turning right now. You know what I mean?
Alright.
Let's just go straight, because when you go, see Jess how she puts her skis out and she kind of goes on the inside edges like that? Exactly. Don't think about turning, just go this time. Yep. Yep. Hey. Yeah! Yeah! Oh shit! Yeah, Wood! Yeah! Yeah! Get your breath, let's just chill for a sec, you know? Like, just stand like, is that uncomfortable for you to stand like that?
No.
Okay, let's just chill for a sec. Get the feeling back.
Just feel it, A-wire.
Yeah.
Just feel it. Yeah, A-wire.
Yeah, bomb, bomb. The monkey! Oh, keep it together! Oh, monkey!
Awesome.
Let's get that snowplow. Yep. Just like that, bud. See, you feel that right there. That's a strong, stable stance right there, man. Your poles right now are kind of like this, and you can get them in the way. Always think of hands in front and try to like put your wrist down so your poles are up a little bit, you know? Here we go. You don't need to push anymore. Lift up the poles. Yep. Put up the snowplow. Yep. Yes. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yes. Okay, and here we come, and we're gonna just try to angle a little bit this way. Don't lean at all. Just try to push your feet this way. Yep. 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 Right here. Now let's go straight again. Just go straight. Let's go straight so we can get some speed for the chairlift. That was not normal. A-wire, true athlete. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Tell me you went down already once.
Bro, he's killed it.
Shut up.
Like killed. We took the full run.
No
Took
way.
him a little bit at the beginning, but he skied all the way from the last down rail all the way to right here. Literally. Like, not normal, bro. People don't do that the first time.
No,
man.
no, they don't.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna sit down. Back.
Put the weight on your right. See how my ski's coming in? Right big toe. There you go.
Yes.
Think about pressuring your big
Think
toes,
about
okay?
There you go.
That's all you need to do. You don't have to go way in. It's just big toe
Yeah,
pressure.
it's mainly with just your feet and your ankles that can make you turn, you know? And your upper body will just go with it a little bit. But you almost always want to keep your body going forward, even when you turn, you know what I mean? So let's get up there a little bit closer. You got it, dog. And we're just gonna ski straight out like we did last time to a stop. Wow. Got the first member of the Jamaican ski team now. I'm just gonna be the first to tell you, as a skier his whole life, I ain't never seen anybody even from Montana jump on a pair of skis and be able to do and pick up as fast as that. It's a little shaky still, but homie is going from the top of the mountain to the bottom of the mountain with one fall, making it around the bend, no stress, no problems. I'm bewildered, bro. And if I'm bewildered, you know he's on point, man, in a serious way. Boom, bomb, connect! More Jamaica, what you know about it?
Turns?
Like fully ripping. Yeah.
For a jump too. Yeah, I've seen it.
Not normal.
You'll done get it nice in a week. I just want to read all your comments on your Facebook when you post a picture of you skiing, man.
What?
The man.
What do you think of your first day riding?
Oh man, it's so much fun. Oh man. Oh. Now we don't need snow in Jamaica. This is my second day in skis. I've already started hitting boxes. You know what's the most amazing part about being here? Is the fact that like every single trick that I've tried in the past 5 days, I've landed at least one. So this is like a different level of progression. This is a different level of mindset. It's like, yo, you want it, you got it, you get it done. Yep, crash test dummy all day, every day, twice on Sundays. Let's do this.
Scary.
Big up Crash Test Dummy crew. I'm Sammy Carlson, chilling with A-Wire. Getting ready to send it into the airbag. It's gonna be crazy. 4th day skiing, he's killing it. He's gonna send it in the airbag. Time to go big.
Yeah, man. I'm good enough to speed from here.
I would think down lower.
Yeah, boy! Yeah! Woo! What? Oh yeah, hold on. One more again.
You landed perfect.
This is my last night in Tahoe, and enough riding, now it's some time for some driving. So we're going off-roading.